PHP is a special language for building websites. It helps make websites interactive and dynamic. Most websites use a database. Databases store information for the website. This information can change based on user actions. PHP works with databases to display and update information. This makes websites more interesting. For example, PHP can show you your posts on a social media site. PHP can also store your new posts in the database. PHP is easy to learn. You will use a local server environment to run PHP files. You will use a database management tool to interact with your database. This guide will show you how to get started. First, you need a local server environment. This lets you run PHP files on your computer. XAMPP and MAMP are popular choices. They are free and easy to install. Choose the one that matches your operating system. Download the installer from the official website. Follow the instructions to install it. Once installed, start the Apache and MySQL services. Now you are ready to write PHP code. Open a text editor and type the following code. Save the file as index.php. Place it in the htdocs folder inside your XAMPP or MAMP installation directory. Now open your web browser and go to http://localhost/index.php. You should see Hello World displayed on the page. MySQL is a popular database system that works well with PHP. It is included in XAMPP and MAMP. You will use a tool called phpMyAdmin to manage your MySQL databases. Open your web browser and go to http://localhost/phpMyAdmin. Click on the New button to create a new database. Give your database a name like my_database. Choose UTF-8MB4_general_CI as the collation. Click Create. Now, create a table within your database. A table stores specific information. For example, you could have a users table to store user data. Name your table users, add columns for ID, username, and password. Define the data type for each column. For example, ID could be INT and username could be varchar. Set ID as the primary key and enable auto-increment for it. Now you will connect your PHP code to your database. This lets you interact with your database using PHP. You will need the database name, username, and password. Here is an example of PHP code to connect to your MySQL database. Connect_error. Die, connection failed. $conn, connect_error. Echo, connected successfully. Replace root with your actual username and password if you have set one. This code creates a connection to your database and checks if it was successful. This is a basic introduction to PHP and database interaction. You can now explore more advanced concepts.